Okay, I want to discuss a real case study. What happens if your internal link and external link is not properly done in SEO writing? Okay, now this is one of the domain which I was handling, and they come up to me and said, even though I'm getting 36,000 impressions, okay, 36,000 impressions in the last 3 months, and they're getting only 100 clicks, and that is not good. Okay, now you can also see the average position and average CTR. So one of the factors which might be affecting is the internal and external links, backlinks and external links, how the relevancy of the content. The second factor is obviously gonna be, the meta title and description, and how clickbait you are going to write, and how relevant the users who are clicking on this content, the 108 people who clicked on this content stayed and engaged in the blog. Now, I for sure cannot control the user engagement, because it's up to the people who are getting into the reading the blog article, but I have the control over internal linking and external linking. Now the best way to do this is having doing the relevant content, but instead of doing it manually, I have, with the use of AI, I can do it automatically. Now one thing is, you can go to your sitemap. You can go to your sitemap. So example, I can go to the sitemap and I can take this post, all the post article, and I can give it to ChatGPT or any other AI to automatically internal link whenever writing an article. Now the second thing which I have option to do is, now this is the Arvow AI SEO editor which I'm using, and it's free for you to use initially. Now the link will be in the description, you can check that out. So one of the best way to do internal linking and external linking is using AI, as I said. Now, whenever you are writing, generating an article using AI, Arvow, and I'm going to show you one more thing, like you want to give it to sitemap initially. So whenever you're generating an article inside Arvow, after giving a keyword, what you want to do is you go to the input tab, and here, before you generate an article, you want to click on this edit icon so that it will prompt you the customization. Okay, now you want to go to the internal linking, and here you want to add a sitemap. Now here I'm going to add my sitemap, so I'm going to copy this and go to the Arvow dashboard, and here under the sitemap I'm going to give this. Okay, so I'm going to give the domain, so enter sitemap URL, and you can also add more sitemap, pages sitemaps, post sitemap, and categories. Okay, it's up to you. Okay, it's gonna, if you add as much as you can add as much as you can. It will all be taken into consideration whenever you're generating an article. Now with that being said, to add an external link, so let's just say I want to add an external link at the beginning of the article. So you can see right here, table of content, and then we have a paragraph. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this whole paragraph and go to click on add links, and here you will be prompted to add external link. Now all this has been I'm doing inside Arvow AI SEO editor. Simply I'm going to click on add external links, and if this AI can really add external link, it will prompt you just like this. Now it has prompted, right? Now if it does not, okay, if there's no content which can be relevant to adding external links, so it's gonna give you empty. Okay, now in that case, what you want to do is you can do it manually, or go to another paragraph and add external links automatically. Now since this paragraph has potential to have external links, so which is why it is showing up, I simply tap on all the tick boxes, and you can see as I check these tick boxes, it is automatically added. The external links are absolutely added automatically. Now this is the best way, this is the best AI SEO editor in the market in 2025 to use, and you'll get it for free to generate few articles. So why don't you try it? The link will be in the description. If you have any comments about this, any SEO, if you want any tips, comment below. I'm gonna respond to you, I'm gonna reply to you.